Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we learn how use of checkboxes in Excel. As we have the task column, we have list of activities to do, and we have the status column. Now, if we check mark our task electricity bill, it will automatically strike through it. And it will also make the status as completed. But if we uncheck it, it will change status as in progress. And this is what we will learn in this video. We have mentioned source file link in description. We only need to check mark the activity. And it will automatically adjust the status. But before that, please subscribe our channel. Now let's start our example. We have the task column in Excel. And we have the particulars and status column. First, we need to insert checkboxes in task column. To insert checkboxes in task column, we need to go on Developer tab. In this tab, go on Insert option for checkboxes. Now place it on task cell. Now, we remove text available in this box. Now we place it properly to make it presentable. After placing it, we only need to drag cells below. It will automatically create different checkboxes. Now we need to link our checkboxes to trigger. Now click on Format Control option. Click on Cell Link option. Now click on desired cell for reference. Now test our checkbox by click on it. This is how we can trigger cells to activate. We need to perform same activity for each cell. We need to link each cell manually in initial versions. You can use advanced Excel versions to save time. These checkboxes are very helpful in dashboards or any other list of performing functions. After completing it, test our checkboxes. This is how we can link our cells for checkboxes. Now we need to make status for activities. So we use here formula equals to if. Now select the task cell for our logical test. If task cell is true, it should prompt as completed. In the else criteria, should give in progress. You can use different comments as per your desire. True and false will create status category. Now press here Enter and test our checkbox. Now drag down formula to apply below. Now again test our formula to use further. You can use this activity for different purposes. Now we can make it more professional by removing the grid lines in the background. To remove grid lines, go on Page Layout tab. Now uncheck the Views option to remove. Now we use here Conditional formatting option. First select the whole list of particulars. Then go on Home tab for Conditional formatting. Now click on Conditional formatting option. Click on New Rule option. Now click on Last option, Use a formula. Now write our desired formula in the cell. As we have the status in the D column. So we write here equals to. Now type here $sign. Now we need our D column, so we type here D. Then we have status in the fifth row. So we need to write here number 5. Then again type here equals to sign. And use our status completed. Make sure Our spelling should be same. Now click on the Format option. Now select Different Formatting. Each option's impact will reflect here. You can also select font color as well. Now select our desired color. Now click on the OK option as per reflection. Now test our function of strike through. Now we need to hide our linked cell's status. So we simply change the font color to white. Now again test our formula. Check mark will create strike through and change status. This is how we can create simple to-do list. As we only need to check and uncheck activity, and it will automatically create status as per instructions. You can also copy the formula to save it. First, we need to select the formula cell. Now copy the whole formula. Now write formula in any cell and paste with apostrophe sign. Make the font bold and italic. Now again test our function to conclude it. If you face any issue in using the function, please write in our comment section.